Alright, so for week 3, for WGD260, we were working on, well, week 2, we worked on our design and what we would want, and how our website would look like. So this week I chose this design. This is what my website design would look like. I also did use the grid when looking at the grid. This was actually a lot of fun to do. I always love doing this. This is the tablet form of what it would look like. And then this would be the mobile of the outline of what my website would look like, which I think is a lot of fun. And I'm excited to start it and get that all situated. So yeah, that was my layout. The grid worked a lot. It helped out phenomenally. At first I didn't usually use the grid. I just used the XD, Adobe XD, which I have always loved doing when putting out a design for a website. So with this one I chose a pull-out menu with a hamburger menu. So when it pulls out an image right here with that right there, about the designer, so this would be the 2 images that I would use of myself, and then the description, and this would be my decals that I will show off, and then this as well right here would be the websites that I have used and the layouts of them and such. So